Hello everyone, this is Dixie Quilters and it's a new channel and we're getting it going. So I have recently had some box openings with some soft square live sale kits, and I wanted to show you and ask you which one you start on because they're all three Christmas. I don't know if I can do all three before Christmas, along with finishing up the other projects I've got cooking. Let me show you, okay? This is Darling. It comes with the hanger. It's called Santa's Little Helper. It has all the parts and pieces. I think that's really cute. It's measures 6 by 21, so it's not too huge. It wouldn't take very long. And lots of options to work with, felting, backing, background, you name it, it's all there. So that's project 1. Project 2 is also Darling. It's the little lights on the tree. I was reading the pattern and it looks like that curling wire appearance that goes between the lights might be braided yarn or something of that nature. Anyway, that's totally doable, you know. This one has a nice hanger to it also. Isn't that cute? Oh, and this one is, see how big this one is. 6 by 20. Okay, so very similar in size to the other one. It says light up the holidays. Very cute, and it has everything in there. Hell-on, shape flex interfacing, all the fabrics. Okay, so that's project number 2, okay? Oh, I don't want to get these mixed up. And then 3, I got carried away that day, didn't I? Here it is, Baby That's Cold Outside. And you can see that it's a snowman, but he's got buttons for the black circles, and he's got those circular things. What are those called? Yo-yos. And it even comes with a yo-yo maker that I'd need to figure out. But it's doable, right? And it looks awfully cute. It's a 30 by 44. So it's basic piecing. All the parts and pieces are in here. By the way, this came from Soft Squares, Lynn and Mr. Fix-It with Soft Squares. And then, so it's got beautiful fabrics. And then all the parts and pieces again. I love a kit that has everything, don't you? I have a number of projects going right now that are all, well, half of them are kits and half of them I got the pattern and then collected all the parts and pieces. And my goodness, having it in a kit is tremendously easier. Now let's open this up and look at these. This is Benartex Alpine Valley. Wonder how difficult this one will be to get open. I know, Lynn, you sent me a cutter to use. I just don't know what I did with it. In the in the Soft Squares kit came a cutter. I think we'll use it. Well, maybe we won't use it. This has really beautiful tree prints and then some tonals and some florals. There we go. Little delicate me, okay? We have some beautiful aqua blues, flowers, trees. Oh, I like this one. Look at this, with little houses. That's sort of a raspberry again. It's not a red. And then we have navy blue. Can you see that okay? The raspberry and the navy blue. And then let's see. Oh, those are pretty. This reminds me of little berries on a juniper or something, or a greenery at Christmas, you know. And then we have the green. It's a nice green too. And then now we're to the aquas and blues combos, and snowflakes, and tone-on-tone snowflakes, which are very ornate, pretty ones. It's very difficult to see, but maybe you can. And then we have a darker teal with the snowflakes, navy blue flowers, more of an avocado green, and pale baby blue snowflakes, pale soft gray, pale pink, baby pink, and then again the raspberry in a snowflake, and pinks, and teals, and pink trees. Let's see if it has one of the large trees also. Nope, it has a dark berry in those snowflakes. Oh yes, here they are. I like that the most. And then comes some navy blues. Very lovely. This would make a very nice, maybe it's cold outside. Don't you agree? Okay, so please, in the comments, pick one of those. Do I make this one, or the string of Christmas lights, or the elf holding the packages? All right, thank you and good night. We'll talk to you next time. Bye.